Here's a circle round and round, rolling softly on the ground. Here's a square with sides the same. Let's all clap and say its name. Triangle has 3 sides, you see. Count them slowly, 1, 2, 3. Rectangle has 2 long sides. 2 are short and 2 are wide. Star shines brightly in the sky. Count its points as they fly by. Heart is full of love so true. Draw it big for me and you. Teacher, teacher, what's that shape? It's a circle like a grape. Teacher, teacher, what do we do? Count the shapes and sing them too. Clap, clap, shapes we find. Spin, spin, shapes combine. Jump, jump, dance around. Shapes are everywhere we found. La la la, shapes we see. La la la, 1, 2, 3. La la la, big and small. La la la, count them all. Circle, square, triangle, 2. Rectangle, star, and a heart for you. Shapes all shining in the sun. Learning shapes is so much fun. Thank you, shapes so dear, for the fun we share right here. We will sing this song once more, learning shapes forevermore. Circle, square, triangle, 2. Rectangle, star, and a heart for you. Circle, square, triangle, 2. Rectangle, star, and a heart for you.
Hi friends, I'm Little Star.